Welcome to Ayana Goltuna TV.
What's up?
Okay, so today we're going to show you how to crimp hair. This is what it looks like so far. Okay. And I'm going to do more. And this is perfect for like party. Okay? So first you're going to need a straightener. And hairspray if you want, but
to celebrate my demise.
we kind of like messed up our hair. So what you'll need is straightener and a comb and hairspray if you want. If you are using hairspray, well, this is what I might be using. It's a 15-hour hold and maximum shine, firm hold, panthenol, crystal clear, humidity resistant, fast drying, extra control, protects from sun. Got that at a big lot. So it's only $250, $280. Okay. You good?
Yeah. Just
okay. So let's get it started. I'm gonna go on this side. So what you're going to do first? Hold on. Let me extend this. You're going to take a strand of hair like this. You're going to fold it, take a straightener and go up. Then take the ends of it and go down. Go up. And go down. Then you go up. Then you go down.
Degrassi is very entertaining. Real life. It's honest and it's in the moment, and we go there.
You'll also get a sneak peek of all new episodes of Degrassi.
See, look at that.
101 Marathon, Friday at 6.
Isn't that cool? So we're gonna do another piece of hair. Yeah, I should kind of put what's it called? But yeah, hairspray in my hair, so it's kind of
stiff.
You made a video? Yeah. You talking to her, a message to me. It's finally clear you'll learn to rise. All you said, oh now you care. Why do you waste your my red light? Can't understand. I throw it down for you. Tell me how to.
You need to do something with that side. This is a dog. I don't know where her head is.
Right there. See, look at that. Look, guys. Look at that. It's very zigzaggy. It actually sticks. Because you kind of put hairspray in it, so it'll be like awesome. So one more time. I think I messed up on this one though. Wait, actually that was pretty good. So that's how you crimp people's hair. So let's do one more review. We'll do this one straight. Oh, I broke myself. Okay. Go up. Then you go down. Up. Then down. Up. Then down. Up. Then down. Up. Then down. And then you get like this zigzaggy thing. Look at this, it's awesome. You look like an 80s girl.
80s locker.
So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys, and yeah, bye.